Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel or page. Today I would like to share with you my new oven pattern that I created recently. This stitch pattern based on the complex stitch. My pattern consists of 5 stitches and has 2 rows. You can use both sides. This is the back side, but I think it can be, so you can choose any side. This pattern can be perfect for any project such as clothes, accessories, or accessories for your home and whatever you like. So this swatch consists of 8 rows. Let's crochet the pattern. For this project you need to have 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. So I will start to crochet my adorable pattern. Let's crochet the pattern. My pattern consists of 5 stitches and has 2 rows. I will begin the foundation chain. Make a chain of 32. Let's crochet the foundation chain. My pattern repeats 6 times in the width and plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on till you will get the ready foundation chain. My foundation chain is ready, and now make first row. It will be a row of single crochet stitches. Make a chain. To bring up the yarn, I skip the first stitch, then the second chain stitch, insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook, make single crochet and single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Like this. My row is done. It was row of single crochet stitches, and now I show you how to crochet adorable stitch pattern. For the next row, make a chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn the work. Then yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook, I skip first, second, insert the hook into the third stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Then pull through 2 loops twice. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the top of these 2. Make double crochet. My complex stitch is ready. It looks like X. This is my complex stitch, actually one of the kind complex stitches. So I continue working on my 3D stitch. I turn the work, chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the first half. Now I'm working with top part, pull up a loop, pull through first loop like this to the level of the chain. 1. I do not make yarn over, then insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop like this. In total it should be 5 of them. I have done 2, 3, 4 and 5. like this. Then I'm working with bottom part, and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain and pull. My stitch is ready. Now turn the work, insert the hook into the chain stitches, make single crochet. Then I turn the work. My working yarn is behind the work. I continue working on the next stitch. Now yarn over the hook twice. I skip the next stitch and work into the second stitch. I do not finish my stitch. Then yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the third stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then pull through first 2 loops and pull through 2 loops twice. Then chain of 2 and double crochet into the top of these 2 stitches. So my complex stitch is ready. Now I continue working, chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around this stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hold loops with my finger. My first half is done. Let's work with bottom part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In total it should be 10 loops on my hook. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain, pull my stitch. So the second stitch is almost ready, but I need still to continue. Insert the hook into chains, make single crochet. Then I turn the work. Then you should crochet the same complex stitch as we did in the previous time. You need to crochet 4 more. My row is almost ready. As I said before, my row consists of 6 such stitches. Let's look at the back side. I remind you, this stitch I created by myself. Make treble crochet, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make treble crochet. Treble crochet is ready, row is done. The next row will be a row of single crochet stitches. Make a chain, I turn the work, I skip this stitch, insert the hook into the chain space, make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, then 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. In total it should be 5 stitches. I remind you, pattern consists of 5 stitches and has 2 rows. 1, continue, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. So I remind you, my pattern has 5 stitches and consists of 2 rows. One of them is my interesting stitches and another one is a row of single crochet. I have done a row of single crochet stitches. This is the 3rd row in total. Insert the hook into the chain stitch at the beginning of the previous row, make single crochet. Row is ready. Now turn the work and I'm going to work with my complex stitches. As we did before, make a chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice. Work with the 2nd stitch. Insert the hook into the 2nd stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and insert the hook into the 3rd stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then pull through first 2 loops and pull through 2 loops twice. Then chain of 2 and double crochet into the top of these 2 stitches. My complex stitch is ready. Then I turn the work and make some strings. In total it should be 10 strings. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In total I have got 10 loops. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain, then insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. My stitch is ready. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. You should make as many times as you need. My swatch is ready. It consists of 8 rows. This is very interesting 3D pattern. It can be perfect for tablecloths, coasters, mug racks. Also, you can change kind of yarn and crochet the rug for your bedroom. Also, this pattern you can use to create clothes or accessories. It depends whatever you want. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media, and of course don't forget to write comment below the video what you will get. Thank you so much for watching. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video tutorials. Bye!